Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Gabby from Fox and Bunny Rise, and in today's video we're going to be using stencils on polymer clay. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're going to be using black polymer clay for the base of the earrings, which I'm going to roll out and then I'm going to condition in the pasta machine. And then we're going to use white paint to put the stencil on. So this is the conditioning process using Atlas 150. So then I'm just going to even out the surface and apply the stencil on top of the black polymer clay, and I'm going to roll over it to ensure that it is stuck to it and it's not going to come off. And then I'm going to apply white paint using a wooden stick, and I'm just going to spread it evenly and take off the excess and let it dry. I'm just going to peel the stencil off slowly, ensuring that design stays behind. I'm then going to cut out the hexagonal shapes, and I wanted the moon to be in the center. So the second one was a bit more difficult to place, trying to hover it above the moon. It also doesn't help that I have a bit of a shaky hand, so it made it a bit more difficult, but I got there eventually. And after that, I also cut out some circular ones for some studs and some parts of the earring design. I then evened out and smoothed out the edges of each earring so that when I bake it, it doesn't need much sanding. I then cut one of them in half as I wanted half moon earrings, and I baked them in the oven. After that, I sanded the edges slightly before applying the coat of resin. I spread the resin out using this dotting tool and tweezers, and I used the lighter to pop some bubbles and use the UV light to set it. I then repeated the process for all the pieces. After the resin was set, I drilled some holes using this hand drill, and again, it was a lot of twisting. It's a workout for my hands, or my wrists more like it. And I just made holes in all the pieces that needed it. Only one pair didn't need any holes, and those are going to be studs. And I also drilled 2 holes in these half moon earrings because I wanted to add a chain to it. So since some of the pairs are going to be studs, I sanded both back of the earring and the earring post, and that just helps to ensure that the glue sticks between the post and the earring, so it actually holds it down more strongly. And I did that to all the posts that needed sanding. And then I actually used some acetone to wipe the excess dust to help the glue again. And then I used Gorilla Super Glue, that is gel, to glue the backs on. So then I'm going to assemble the first pair of earrings, and this is going to have the little circle with a post attached to it and the hexagonal shape. And we're going to repeat the same process for the other earring. The pattern is so beautiful on these, I love it. And here I am just dropping a jump ring as per usual. And this time I was lucky because it fell on the table. Usually just falls on the floor and I can never find it, but lucky me this time. So I'm just going to let you watch me assemble these earrings, struggling with the jump rings. On to the next design, and I was being strategic and open all the jump rings before I even started. And this one is going to be as fiddly, and I just add jump ring, chain, try to close jump ring, fail miserably, start again, succeed, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side and probably going to, nope, didn't fail, not yet. Oh my god, that was really easy. And time lapse of it. And this part was also very fiddly, and I am adding a jump ring, holding the two chains and the post, and successfully close the jump. No, I did not successfully close the jump ring. Struggle 101 with Gabby right here. And she succeeded eventually. Any second now. There we go. Well done, Gabby. And I added this cubic zirconia little top that is quite cute. I love these. They are very nice. I love the little chain design. And here I am showing them off in different styles. So this is the first design. This is the second one that I fought with the jump rings. I absolutely love all of these designs, and if you would like to get a pair, these will be launching on our website at foxandbunnyrise.com, on the 16th of July. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. I will see you next week. Bye bye!